Um, I don't come again with my own. No. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening to the house. To the household. Hey, concentrate on your food. So I need viewers today. I really need viewers to view this video because what I'm about to say here today is very, very important. Very, very important to me, and I know it will be also important to every one of you there. So it's better you listen. So I need more viewers today to view this video. Actually, it's not every day person they come social media call they twerk or they dance or they do. At times we still need to talk about something meaningful, still need to encourage ourselves, still need to talk to each other. I just thought about it and I saw it would be more fun. So what I'm going to talk about today, I guess you people saw my write-up. So anything I want to talk here today, if you got anything to say, you can say it here. We just rush and talk and together as one where we'll be, you understand. But one thing I go beg now, no insults, no true insult. You cannot say some people that are just fond of insulting somebody. They know they do live video, they just can't watch you because they insult you. But I don't want those ones. All I just want is to talk about something that is very important to our life. Something that will help us to mind ourselves, to mind how we live our life, to mind what we do out there, to mind how we take care of our basic life. It's going to help us a lot. That's why I'm going to say this. And I'm begging, I beg. I don't want this. I beg. So let's rush it. And also for this life, some people go discourage you now. People tell you, say, Shakira, like what I'm doing now. Some people go just stay there, say, this girl no get work. She just come out live video because they talk. Even when they talk, you get work. So that's the fact. That one is aside. That's not what I'm going to say here. But what I'm going to say here is that don't mind what people's talking about you, though. You gotta do what you know how to do best, though. So do what you know how to do and forget about what people are saying. People are gonna drive you back. People talk. We need these people to talk so that we know where we are going on. We need them to talk. You understand? So what am I saying is that I've seen a lot of babes posting on Instagram, posting on Facebook, and some people they comment say, this one will just come out social media and they twerk. Thank you, though, lucky. Thank you. This one will just come out and they dance on social media because they don't get work. This girl, you don't get work, but she just need to do something. You don't get work, you don't want to give her work. She just need to do something. You understand? You also say that boy no get work. That boy no get sure. We no say no get work, but he just need to do something. That's why they come on social media and come display. You understand? You just need to do something. That's what I'm going to talk about now because a lot of people, but we're shy. Some people they do out of say this one they do me I go do. Most of us they do and which I know that is not real you. That's not your talent. You got to drop something that you know how to do best. That's what people value most. I say they come out, come they dance this down. Many people now they dance for social media. They know they dance for real life. For real life, now if you now go party with them. They say, babe, come dance. She be shy to dance, but for social media she dey twerk. But that's not the case. The case is that as they're doing it, some people are talking shit about them. Some people go say, she get what? Say you get what? You know they dance for social media now. You understand? Who they dance for social media? Not be work. You carry time do something. She just don't want to do something. She just want to have fun. But that's by the way. Baby humble. Yeah. What are you talking about? Wow, lock it up. What I'm talking about is that people are really discouraging a lot of us not to do what we know how to do. Because for this time, I don't come this, it's not even only this Europe, for this life. I don't come and say, I dey do one thing or the other, what I know how to do. I remember my first time where I cried joke for church. Some people, one of my friends was like, ha, I tell the girl, say, me, I want go crack joke. They just ask, say, who will crack joke for us? I say, I just pull off myself, I want go crack joke. You know what the babe tell me? The babe tell me, say, come, don't move, come off for here. Now you want go disgrace. You say, see, and I see the way we they discourage people. They try to understand my fact. Say, no, come on here, what go disgrace us, Abi? But I give a deaf tear because I don't give a fuck. I give a deaf tear and I moved there. I crack joke. People were laughing. As me, I sit down now, listening to that babe now. Say, guy, no come on here. Because for people like say, that thing I not do, and the thing will just die for you. So when some people get dream, you don't know as if their dream to be. You don't know how they want to display this dream. Now just like try. When I just use this, they discourage them. It don't make sense. You understand? It doesn't make sense to us. They try to discourage people, leave them to live their life, their best life. Anything where person they do, let's maybe the person they do bad. Because now this Europe now, since a person go tell you say you no get work, I say no get work. Now here the people go tell you say no do this thing because first of all they also say this thing will give you money. They'll first tell you say me no do man, and they don't will give you food job. So never reach time when you get sense. Never reach time when you wise up. Some people are in this country, they get hands up, they just let the hands up they waste. Because of discouragement. You go want to do something like this, somebody person go talk say, you want to go sew, maybe you be tailor now, you just like, you know how to sew. And you just go buy machine of how much, somebody will say, you just they waste your time. Who wants sew clothes? Just they waste that time. The time when you take go do another thing, you know, they can't, they waste. It's not waste, my dear. Person know they become millionaire just one day. It's not waste. All those things is not waste. Earlier the better you start realizing your real self, who you really are. You understand? Because for this life now what you get, now people say know you. They say tomorrow, now people they say Shakira, this, that. Guys, Shakira get wetin they display. When many people they call her Shakira, you don't get. If you not get wetin they display, you cannot be popular. Davido get wetin they display, me can't Davido. Whiskey get wetin they display, me can't Wizkid. So you got to realize your real self. You got to know what you know how to do best. Do it, put it there, because some people now they feel like because for me now, if I can't do this live video now, you come out for live video, they talk. I call the friend they think I say, if I come out for this live video, call they talk. People now, they won't go talk, say, Shakira, they teach they talk. Just like my brother asked, what are you talking about? That's what we're talking about. Some people now, not say, this kind of question, they go ask me, I beg. I don't go just come out, do, make people call they ask me question. Motherfucker, what are you saying? You don't understand. Give a deaf ear when you are pursuing something, when you're doing the right thing. Just don't listen to what people are saying, because people go discourage you. That one I'm sure, because they know say if you start this thing, you go end up big. You end up they do waiting. Nobody go recognize you again. Before Wizkid turned to Wizkid started from somewhere. So I don't know why most of us we feel shame to bring out our potential. They feel shame to bring out what is in us. They feel shame to do this thing because our fellow guy go talk. If I come they do like this, fellow guy like me go come they talk, say guy they fuck up, you know they help the industry. I want to help the industry. So do what you know how to do. Forget about what people are saying. You come out now, you they dance. You sabi dance, they dance. You sabi they sew clothes, they swan. Sabi na hair you sabi they do am. Now makeup they do what you sabi do. Let people talk. Let people talk say you no get work, because before the thing go they pay you. When they go start they pay you, those people when they talk say you no get work. They call when the thing don't they pay you now. Now they will call they tell you say guy, I want to be like you. They'll start being jealous of you. They start being the heaviness now therefore they start. So let me come back, Ja. Why they try to talk? You know, say this life now, I don't realize many things. Why they try to explain all these things to you people is that many of us they suffer from all these things. and it's not helping out. They draw us go back a lot. Imagine those times when I did Nigeria now. There was okay, my daughter say that time I dey sell for restaurants. One village restaurant like that, one for the sell. My girlfriend come tell me, say, babe, how far? You know the shame. Why you go dey sell for this kind of place? You know if you go town, go, you know they see babes wey dey town, they make money. Because they do village stuff, because they sell for village. A schoolmaster was once a schoolboy. Tree no dey grow over one day now. If you plant, you go wait now. You go wait now. That's not say fine. You go. I'd like to work. I like to work here. Even though say na 600 they pay me, I just like kind like that. So that's how I continue. Imagine what say happen. Just say they sell for there, they sell for the restaurant. This babe will tell me say I know they shame. They make day uptown, they make money. I know they share na village. I want for the find money. I they sell for the restaurant over 3 months now, getting to 4 months. I know they get small money. Come on, ta. I don't get small money. That's a babe. Now come tell me, say, babe, I have borrow me money now. So you see it. As me, I listen to her. All those money now, I don't go even big pass her because some people don't even want me big pass them. Now what you know, no one know be that one. People don't want money. They're just big. No, just big pass them. So when you bring that issues like this, they will just like, ha, this girl. Okay, my daughter say this video now, make them share her. Make somebody share her, make other people see her. You know what some people go do? They don't share her. When they don't listen to this video now, sir. This guy don't they talk like this now. Before you know, you don't they move. You understand? They don't go share her. People will know. You most especially people will know. You don't share the video because they don't want to make you blow. I say it before life. That's what I'm trying to let you know. Anything you know how to do, put your potential in it. Put your efforts. Make her make strong. Make stand. I get a lot of things to tell now. I get a lot of things, but let's just start from here. Because when they listen to people, that make kind of business like say when they go back for life. If you too they listen to people, not the person get your life. Now you get your life. Now you need to decide what you want to do with your life. Not the person get them, but the truth is that when you are living your best life, still remember, me now I don't feel they choose part when they will follow me. Because some people don't want now, me I just come their house, me will come sit down, they talk with me. But if I come social media, call they talk, they advise the house, the person will say I don't get work. So if me go come your house now, come sit down, because they massage bone when no break. I get work like that. Not be the same thing they talk. So be wise, use your medulla now. You understand? So I just think about all these things and say, guy, I will put them down. Some people now they did this life, they don't know how far. They just need some people may go address them, may go talk to them, but they will still understand. Not be everybody be your friend, not be everybody will tell you what they right for you. Some people now you go just carry your issue, go give them. You carry your issue, go give them. Please, if you are watching this video, either you comment or you like. Another call they view me, view at least let me know you are here. So that's it all. That's why I just skype and say, may I call let you know what's up because you are saying the fact, my dear. God bless you. God bless you, Ricardo. You know what's up now. I like people that encourage people, not the people when they discourage people. I don't like people where we say some people now they get what they want to do. Or because they know the kind of people when they with them, they don't want to talk and come out. So if I told this thing now, this girl now they go want they put one kind of character, one they put one kind of issue. Some people they get many things where they know how to do, but because of friends around them, they discourage you for here. Some people discourage you. You just say you don't get value at all. My dear, you have to bring out your potential. Don't listen to what people they talk. Some people they don't let you succeed. That's the fact. That's why I'm saying this thing because it's high time you know yourself. It's high time you put on that thing, put that thing out where you sabi do. And some people now they be a dresser. They sabi do hair. But because I say now where they say, girl, you sabi do hair, you go say, As I will do hair now. I can't do the hair. You can't dey fear. They call the fear. I want to do this hair. Oh, I want to do like this. You call it the fear. The fear for nothing. You the fear for nothing. You are fearing for nothing. Eh? Do what you know how to do. Don't carry your time. They waste. Now what you get? Now be your balance. So now what you get for hand? Now people take respect you. And they work on one day for town. Some people they ask me say Shakira. Where we say everywhere where we go they call you Shakira. Yes, people they call me Shakira because I be Shakira. When I did Villa that time, people when know me. I did dance. I still go the same go to go America and I go to still be they change. I still dance. Because that's what I know how to do. Not just dance, whatever you are doing, just put your potential in it. Let people know, yes, this is what I do. Now what you they do, people they know you. Not let people go know you for a bad name or bad thing. Just do normal. Also, some people they copy people. They copy what Angela Okoye they do, what Toto Dike they do, what Tasha they do. Tasha open breast. Some people now will go copy and say open breast. They say want open breast. Angela sing now. Some people want go they sing. This twerk where they twerk for Facebook today. Now person twerk can come out. All of us go carry. We don't need to be copying people. You are who you are. You know if you change. If you be Shakira, you be Shakira. Don't change your status, man. You don't need to change your status. Don't try to copy somebody. Do what you know how to do. Put that because this Europe now, I understand that many people get handwork, but they don't feel come out, come defend that handwork, which is bad. The opportunity where you get, the ability where you get now, just they waste time. They waste time because you want to copy another person. You get what you sabi do, you leave your home, you want to go copy person. How is it possible now? Why you like that? You want to copy another person's life. Is it possible? Today now all of us want to do video, want to do this one. See, fine. If you want to copy person, you need to copy person when get future safe. When their future good. You need to copy person when they say their future is sincere, as in they get good future. Not a copy nonsense. Because they can't deceive us. You understand? You have to copy people that tomorrow, if you still they look there, you still they see that thing. If you as in tomorrow, you just be proud of them. Not be say you just because this one they do, you want to go do. Don't do that. We don't do that. I know a lot of people now. Tomorrow now, people they call me Shakira. Some people want to be like me. They just want to be like me today. Is it possible? Do you know where I started from? You want to be like Angela. You want to be like this person. Do you know where she started from? Do you know how long she started practicing what she's practicing? I go to do some kind of things. Some people they talk say, "Girl, you know the shame." I got the shame. What they used to me? I got the shame to bring out my potential, to bring out what I know how to do. I don't be ashamed of those kind of rush. I they do hair now. Maybe I start they do hair. I can't they do hair. I can't they shame so they do hair. No, you only be ashamed when you are living another person's life. You only be ashamed say they copy somebody. That is not real you. Because why are you ashamed? People when know you rich as not say not be so you be. That's why you dey shame. That's why if just tell me say are you not ashamed? Guy, I want to be ashamed of what I know how to do. I wish now your lifestyle I dey copy now. I go dey shame because not be my lifestyle. You understand? They'll be like Festus, baby. Like you speak today. You too much. Thank you, though. What of the one way something Shakira they do? No, that's true. Everybody gets one way they do. But one thing I need to know, my own now, Go to my history. You need to go to my history. You know why? Today now, if person call my papa or my papa see me for television today, nobody surprised. Because you know say if pikin don dey like this right from time, you know say this girl, I fit know say one day they go see am for so place. I know. See, nothing. I no dey change. I no fit change for who I am to somebody else. If I thought say I wan copy you, as me dey I get role model. My role model na Mercy Johnson. You know why I choose her? Because I see something great in her. That's why I choose her. I don't go choose person when they zuzu. I go choose person when get good potential. When they pull off. That's when be say she not the phone. If she dey act any movie now, you go see say everything what she dey do is coming from her. She's not pretending to be this. She's not dey pretend to speak English. She's just doing that because na maybe Mercy Johnson. You don't understand. But some people now, you watch some people, other movie characters, you see some people they copy, they forge English, they just from their tune. They say from their tune you go know say this person is not perfect in this. They try, maybe like say it be like this person. Oh, though. All of us get who we dey copy for life. But the fact is that you get what you sabi do, you yourself particularly, you get what you sabi do when you need to pull off. Like me now, people they talk say, you know what you sabi do? Let me tell you how to know yourself, knowing your ambition in life is when that thing wey you sabi do, when we say if you dey do and they give you joy, you dey happy. Anytime wey you dey do and so you just dey happy, nothing. Even though say people they talk to you, self, you know they hear now those things. Now it be your career. Some people say I want to know my career. I want to discover my career. It's very easy, my dear. You know they fit read comment at all. Are you serious? What do you mean? Is it not I feel to come. Maybe person don't call you and insult me now. Because I don't go school. No, that will not be problem. You when they write your language, me sound with English. I don't understand though. Now I'm not gonna read that comment. You're just so funny. I just want you to talk about what we are talking about. I don't want me you come to talk something else. Just talk about what you see what they try to talk. See, guy, you don't even need these things for now. That's why they talk. You know they're important. What's the important now? What's me they talk now? You understand? Yes, now that one is important because many people. No, my English they copy now. Yeah, copy your English. I don't copy your English. Let's go back to the course. No, I don't copy your English. I don't copy your English. They don't copy English so because okay, man, just also say they practice English. That's true. Me now, because if I speak small English now, if I speak small good English, I'll speak broken because now broken I know how to speak very well. Every other English, man, I don't feel they speak English because they make mistake now. Na my shame. You don't understand. So I need to speak the one where I sabi speak. Though. So please like, comment, view, look, share. If what I'm saying it really makes sense to you. Because I know say now because it's not Shakira, nobody go want share am because she dey bab low cut. Nobody want share. Nobody want view. Nobody I don't care. You understand? So now what I want your talk now be this one. So try make you know your real self. Try to know who you really be. What you feel do for life. What you feel do for life. If you don't know what you feel do this life, you need to package you. They say nothing day for you. Now when you package yourself, you know say something there. As people where they fly, they follow for Instagram for here. They start from somewhere. They start. Have you ever imagined yourself? Say, I want be like Mercy Johnson. Now let me just assume say I want be like Mercy. I go dey act like Mercy Johnson because everything what she dey do to me, I like her. To me, this kind of person I want to look up to. This kind of person, this is my role model. Let me say if Toto Dike post, you go do. If Chacha post, you follow. If what's it called, Angela post, you follow. It makes sense to you. All those people, they get ambition. They get something and they make us follow them. If they not get, you know, just carry go, they follow them. They get something when they say that they do, and people want be like here, they want to know them. So you say if you still do like that, people go know you. And what they try to explain to you be that one. Not just go they copy person. My daughter say now somebody just come out for here, come they talk. Me say come out, come they talk. I come they talk my own now. It don't come make sense because somebody don't fit talk that thing before. See, if you want make your market sell, now your hand the deal. If you want make people know you, now your hand the deal. Yes, if you not still want make people not know you, now your hand is still there. Because now you need to put on down, say more than focus. I don't need this. Now you need to display the action to them. Say you don't need that. Now you still need to tell them say anything where you want to be. Now you still need to come out. You need to come out. You need to be bold. Come and say yes. This I know the cocoa. You understand? So that's how it's fucking is. Somebody don't tell me now, so I don't sabi read comments. Okay, me I can't dey chat. Thank you. You too have a nice day. So invite your friends, share and like. It's very important. I got many yawa for now, many gists. I will still drop another one now, but that one I'll carry my time talk that one. So when I want to do that one, I go a lot sooner. So invite your friends to come watch, come listen. Because you know, say when they talk truth, some people not go want they always call the magic say, not be Shakira. No Shakira. And Shakira she know say she they talk. Yeah. They say anything nonsense must surely make sense. Yes. Anything when makes sense, when be nonsense, Joe. Surely makes sense, whether you like it or not. If you check inside, you go pick some points. But me they talk now, if it be like not today. For some people here, go like not today. Not today with the hear. Hypocrite people for your life. Yes, now hypocrite people for your life. Me you open your eye way now. What are they try to let you know? This life person go tell you say, guy, this thing no do one. For your back, it go do one, it go blow. Be wise now, get sense. Get sense. You want no one make person teach you, then teach yourself how to stand, how to see the best thing for life. If you don't get ambition, nobody know you. Today now, I don't get money, but if person they call me my name for outside, they get joy. You know why? From there you go no say yes. What are they do where people say they respect me like this? It's that thing I even they do where people will be safe and they pass. People they talk say this girl not correct this one. Anything where you sabi do, just they do one. Just they do one. Whether people like it or not. See, for this life, people go hate you, people go like you. Not everybody will be your friend. Not everybody will still like you. So you need to know what you are doing. Don't say because say today Shakira see me for road, Shakira come they criticize me, say what I do last night, not like her. Then you can't stop. Guy, don't stop, they waste your time. Keep balling. Keep doing that best you know how to do. Don't give up. Keep doing, keep pushing, because people one day they go see, they say mouth won't talk bad, one day go talk good. Mouth won't talk bad against you. One day when you don't see what you pull off, what you don't they represent, guy go join they represent you. Go join they celebrate you no matter what. That's why you got to wake up. You got to wake up. Because a lot of people now, a lot of us, I know they count myself at a lot of us, they go back, just like as I want to do this video now. People there and I like to see some people now say, I beg, I don't want make people they hear wetin I dey talk, or maybe their boyfriend come see the video come say, see my baby, I call dey shy. So wetin I want talk again, I no come fit talk am. Guy, that one na passato. I know hear wetin Italian people dey talk. That one na past tense. May we not let all those things they affect our daily life. See, person when know wetin they find, just like let me use all these celebrities as a sample. They know wetin they find. They know, now you don't know. If you know wetin they find, if you go to their comments, some comments where they comment for their post, you go know say, if they ever comment say, guy, you dey follow sugar daddy, you dey do this one, tomorrow they will do it to your face. Because why? Number one, you know they feed them. Two, you know they pay their rent. Three, you don't care about how they survive. The only thing where you care is how to come out and say shit about them, because you know what they do. But you don't know the reason why they're doing what they're doing. Though? Why I'm saying this, some people now, they go come for, they'll see some girls that they hustle, that they find money. Person says that girl is a useless girl, is a foolish girl. Fine, she useless die, she foolish die. But so I say this so-called girl now never come one day tell you say, bros, I beg you, make you borrow me some money now. I got you to borrow, or may might also say the girl they owe you now, or the boy they owe you. You see why we they make ourselves day one kind? We need to put all those rush aside. Focus. Some people go want to do something, they'll come they fear, say what people want to talk. I know if you can't do this thing again. For waiting, guys, do what you go do. Anything where you know say go pay you, do one. For this Europe where I dey go and shop like that. Some people say, Shakira, they come here. If you dey go somewhere and that place they favor you, person will tell you say why they come here. No man, no. Keep doing what you are doing. You understand me? As far as that thing they pay you, why you want to listen to what they talk? I said this that thing now, they pay you. So now before now they listen to all those kind of things. Maybe I can't they fear, I can't like say I want to this girl they talk, say now something they talk, or I can't they shame. Girl, forget all those things where we say they go talk for your front. You go be like say me you go kill yourself, or you go be like say me no do what you they do again. Now for you. Now for you. You go just end up and that person will still pass you. Because I can't live life if I die, no. You can't later they just say, God, no. Hey, why I not do this thing? Why I not do this thing? Come out and say, Shakira, because of you, now I cannot do this thing. What do you mean? What do you mean? Why you use because of me, no chop food where you know how to chop? Because of me, no can eat your best favorite food. Because of your friend. You don't acquire what you want to acquire. I pity you. I pity you. It's high time you keep all those rush. Focus. Do what you sabi do. Make them talk. Make them talk. Make them talk say this girl and sugar daddy they follow. Make them talk say this girl nah this one they do, nah yeah work they do. Make them talk say, but for you, the one thing is that you need to know that people are talking about you. And the second thing is that for you to know that these people, you must put them to shame. Yes, you must put them to shame. Number one, by being strong. Number two, by doing the best to make sure say all these people, you defeat them. It's when you listen to them, that's when you go below them. Because a fool must always look for a way to make you his mates. Yes, they'll make sure he bring you to his own level. You get it, man. You get it. They don't know. They don't know that one. They say Shakira, I don't care. Shakira, I don't care. You know why? You know why I don't care? Because Shakira don't do this Zoom. Shakira don't suffer. Shakira don't see a Shakira don't chop bako. Shakira don't talk cane. Shakira don't care. But not be me. Person know they talk. People go talk. I don't know. People go see they talk. I don't know. But me, You hate me, come my phone, won't tell me say you hate me, then you answer jam question. You don't get. If you don't say Shakira now where they hear for everywhere, you don't like her. You come meet me, ask me question. Ask me, tell me to my face, spit it to my face, babe, I don't like you. Then I'll fucking give it to you the way you want it. But that one not be make me come here. What make me come here is that all they listen to what people they talk. Come be say tomorrow because they talk say na because of gifts. Now I make I know become what I want become for life. Now because of you. No one has told you. Those one has told you. Me now today say if I dey regret so I no even learn work if I come out for Nigeria. Na so. So na the same matter now they talk again. Anything when you know say go make you dey happy, wey sabi do. Just dey do and dey get your money. I dey regret so I no even learn work, all those kind of thing. Also say like say today now say I learn work, join this my career so then as I say dey bored so maybe people for don die now. You no get. People for don pay. Maybe you know understand. So you need to pull off. Now you see, even though say you go, you be woman, you want God's balance. Now what you get, now go make woman respect you. You be man, you want marry woman, or you want become popular. Now what you get, people will take respect. If you don't get anything for hand, nobody will respect you. You don't get hard work. You don't be tailor. You don't be hairdresser. You don't sabi do anything. You don't sabi address anything. Nothing. You don't get that. It's impossible now. That means you got no value. Nobody knows you. So you got to have something doing. Even though say they wait for God's time, get something where sabi do. Now what you sabi do, now God go multiply. If God come now, nothing dey your hand, not get what you want multiply you. So you need to package yourself very well. I mean when they talk, he said I know that time for kukuma they learn my hairdresser well. I know, but the little ones I be do. I don't say tomorrow night money scarce me. I feel see person now say, babe, if you do me backroom hair, I go still do it. Even though say I don't sabi do it, I will still do it. Based on say we need the cash. You don't get. So now say be for life, my dear brothers and sisters. Now say if I even they learn many things because I understand. Say this life, where would they so? Your name na Shakira, your name na Timothy, your name na this one. That name so. Now you need to let the world know say your name na that one. If you not do it like that, you go remain old. You go grow old. Nobody go still know you. You go fade. So nobody go see engineer today now. Come they spit for his head. He dey craze. Nobody go see mechanic now today. Come they spit. They don't bore you well. But see, all those things are something. Today, if you the reason I say those things not they pay you, but last it go pay. It go pay. Some people they cry. Maybe they be that thing where you be. They don't get opportunity. Maybe they take be like me now. I wish then. You know, be say person they struggle for one thing or the other to survive, to eat, to all those kind of things. So maybe I really settle down where for Nigeria. Say I learn what those kind of things now. For they get the favor, but still yet, I be one doing, you can still do it. That's why I'm saying it. I'm telling people here with my church mind, though. I'm telling you because most of us we dey follow person for nyash. Anywhere where he pass, we go pass. Any direction where we go. It's high time you know your own self. Know yourself. If you know yourself, if you know what you know how to do, now you go dey do shakara for person. What person go dey do shakara for you? You know understand? Now you go as you see me so I feel no get work, but I refuse you to use me play. I refuse for you to use me do yeye. You know why? Because I know myself. Not be saying proud or boldness or waiting. We play this character just to keep our dignity. We play all these rules just to tell you that we get value. Yes, you don't do shit with us. Hey, motherfuckers. So that's it all. I can't make time to do this video. Person go still go talk out tomorrow, say Shakira. Every time they see you for live video, it's too like live video. It's they do live video. Yes, I too like live video. I too like to watch live video too, Abi. Because film where they watch, not the person they happen. Too like live video, too they do live video. See, I don't come here and talk shit. I come here to say the facts. I come here to say the truth. So I'm gonna leave you guys for now. Since you don't want to invite your friends. But one thing I have to say is that please try to share this video for those of them who wasn't opportuned to watch this live, to know what I'm saying or talking about, will come and enjoy this with you, because to me it's very soft gist, very interesting gist, so that they'll come still pick small advice where you pick. I don't understand. It will really help us to grow our careers. It will help us to understand ourselves. It will help us to know who we really are. That's why I just do it. Because sometimes we need somebody to address us. We need somebody to talk to us. We need somebody to let us know so many things that we don't get any idea. So keep following me, keep being my friend, and I'm going to be giving you the best that you want to hear. The best. Okay, you just come, Abby. I've been waiting for you now. You didn't come on time. Why? Where have you been? Come on. It's very simple. What we're talking about here is a very simple case. Maybe I will just brief you. I guess you got my write up, and because me now, if I want to go watch person live video, I'll feel look what he writes. Maybe if it makes sense to my hearing, then I'll look up to it. So what I'm talking about here is nothing about being your real self, knowing your potential in life, knowing your careers, doing the best to be somebody, and don't listen to what people are saying about you, because those things are going to pull you back. Those things are going to make you forget what you're supposed to do. They'll be discouraging you. You know that. People they talk to our ear. You want to do something, people come out. If you want to do something, you want to do one thing like that, or one show, you be DJ or this one, you want to go play show. Some people are just there to discourage you. Or people just come and say, Shakira, just like as I want to do this live video now. Person don't tell me say, hey, you too like live video safe. You want to go do live video. And I'll just listen, I'll just get discouraged, and I'll just forget to do it. Don't let person tell you what you want to do for life. Or maybe some of that thing, I just use that one as an example. Maybe some of that thing you want to do, or you get handle, or maybe say they're strong with, you want to try to let people know what you know how to do. Or some there must always be a Judah. Somebody will always be there to tell you, say, come, no do this thing, no go disgrace us. It's high time you know that we human beings, we are so much hypocrites. We can deceive people, We can let you lose your luck, and tomorrow you go just come say, hey Shakira, because of you this money I don't get them. Because of you now I lost this money. Because of you now I lost this house. I better not let those things become an excuse for your life, because you are lost in it. I just did brief for you that is just coming. Maybe I'll be posting this video and you can go and watch it all over and really get what I'm saying. Don't be discouraged of what people are telling you. It's your life. Do what you know how to do. Do what you know that can fetch you money. See, no sin where God no dey forgive you. Now God no be human being. So far you know say you commit sin, ask God for forgiveness, no problem, He will forgive. It's not wicked. do that thing when you know say if I do am I will benefit, I go achieve. No do things when no dey useful, when no go give you anything, when no go just carry time, just waste time. And some people now say come my house, come your house, come do wetin na, come your house. I don't understand, but if I dey live video, they do live video, say I no get work, but if I still come your house now, come sit down, I get work for there. You have to be wise. You have to know yourself. You have to know those things that you really need to build up your life without listening to these hypocrite people, because they will draw you back well for life. Stand, beat up your chest. Yes, have a focus. Not say because this one they do make you do. No, that is not you. This life na roundabout. If you follow person, they waka. Anywhere where you go, you follow. Anywhere where you go, you follow. Don't make sure say as you dey follow and you dey learn something. No follow am because say you go left, you go left. As you dey follow am, make sure say you dey pick something. You understand? Don't just be working with somebody for no reason. If you are following somebody, make sure. Yes, because for this life now, some people go say, they go discourage you, say, why they follow this boy now? Anywhere where this boy there, you go there. Anyway, and like, they still say this boy, they use your head. But you, if you listen to that person, you go there discourage. You may say, now true this boy they talk, may I leave her. You can only leave that person when you know say they gain anything from her. But if they gain something from that person, no leave, no transfer. Die there. You understand? Let people talk the shit they want to talk. You see what I'm talking about? Maybe you dey go someplace now, or you dey work with Italian people. Sometimes they go give you something, sometimes they give you. Some people will say, hey, see this mumu. Now wait till just come Europe, come do be this one. Just they go shop to this one. If you are doing all those things and you are getting something from it, don't give a dime to that fool that is telling you all these words just to discourage you. Yes, if you are doing something when you know say they benefit you, and people they talk say, this girl just stupid there, this boy you useless die. You just know yourself. Listen, but don't follow. Because you that is doing that thing, you know what you define. Yes, some people now, some girls now, where we know ourselves, with the hustle, they find money. Some people they when go still come to say, girls are useless. So, girls they not just get work for this Europe. They just they room from here to here, they room from here. And this girl, for your president, you go build us for Nigeria. This girl, your president, he go gather himself. And tomorrow now, you when they talk shit, you still come beg and I they pay me back. You still come beg and money or come borrow money from your hand. And you say you no get work, you know they useful, are you useful? You when they talk. So don't listen to all these people. Create your own life, know yourself. Who go here, make you hear the gist, Abi. Thanks for the wise talk. You are a darling. I really appreciate you for giving me this signal. I really love. These are the people that I want. As in people when they encourage person. Not be everything you go they discourage person about. Not be everything, because some people get talents where you don't know if they put this thing down, if you blow them up, if you polish them, I just come up say, because of your own old experience, you go they tell the person say, hey, we don't do all this thing pass. You know favor you, me say no go favor me. If you not favor me say no go favor that one. So let's just try to do what we know how to do. Be yourself, the let person direct you like this. If I dey follow person, I dey follow person. As he say, what are they follow am for? I no dey even achieve anything for a hand. I no say anything. Sense I no dey pick for am. Money I no dey get from you. As in nothing, I just dey get from you. No sense, nothing. No, I no dey achieve. I no dey capiche. You understand? I will depart from you. Instant oh. Instant. I no fit dey follow food dey waka. I follow people wey be say they get something wey I want, you know, wey I want collect, wey I want still learn. If you follow people wey get handwork, you go get handwork. If you follow people wey know this side, you go know the side too. But just be wise. If you dey do something, just be wise. Just dey follow them with sense. Even though say people say you dey follow am every time, na him boy be that na. Let me be boy. Now understand. I get anywhere where you see her, you go see her. Yes, fine. I want to be his boy because I get wetin I dey find. Na only who no know wetin dey find, and they will tell something, you just listen to them, will follow. You don't know your direction. You don't know direction where you dey go for life. If you know your ambition, you know where you dey go. The person tell you say this thing no do. They just look am. It's okay, I don't hear. But do that one where you sabi. Do what you know you are doing. That's how I'm here to talk about. I just still reason how every day person will come social media and call the dance when they do. At times we need to talk about something meaningful. I'm like that. At times I go dance so because you know saving a Shakira now. At times I go dance. At times I will move body. At times I will do funny things. At times I still do talk out of sense. At times I will still talk sense. Life is like this. You know, they're stable. We got a lot to talk about when next time I do my video. So follow me up on my YouTube, Lady Cash. Follow me on YouTube with Lady Cash. Oh, don't go the mistaken. Your type and back. I don't get what I do. Not small joke, but still they crack. Small thing, I still they do. Still they make people they happy on their own. Still they bring out myself. Try to build something in me. Bring out something in me, you know. That's what they do. Follow me on Instagram with Samson Shakira. The same name now they bear for. Now they bear for my Facebook. Samson Shakira on my Instagram. Samson Shakira on Facebook. So do follow me there. I really appreciate your company with me. Follow me on YouTube. Don't forget YouTube. Follow me. Share my video if you like it. Not be. Let's not say some people now. As they do this video now, people don't go. I tell some people make their post and they don't go post, they don't go share. Why? Because they talk sense now. But make I wear half shirt now, wear pants, snap picture, post on. You'll see on Insta blog now, subito. They create. They don't matter. They will share everywhere. You see, that's what we're talking about. Nobody wants the best for you. Everybody wants to make your life your yeah. People won't like you. People won't not like you, don't like you. That's the fact. They'll just do for no reason. They'll just share them. Okay, fine. I end my video here. And I expect you to link up with me on Instagram, Samson Shakira. Link up with me on YouTube, Lady Cash. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.